Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in previous video we have done question number 7. Now we are moving towards question number 8. The question says a certain number of persons are sitting in a row facing north direction. B sits third to the right of A. Only 5 persons sit between A and S. V sits fourth to the left of S. M is an immediate neighbor of V. D sits third to the right of M. K is an immediate neighbor of D. X sits second to the left of K. B sits at one of the ends of the row. So the question says B sits third to the right of A and B sits at the end of the row. All the persons are facing north direction. In one diagram we can put B in the right hand side, and in second diagram we can put B in the left hand side. B sits third to the right of A. 1, 2, 3. Right of A. But here if we will do, B comes to the left of A. So this diagram is wrong. For safer side we make one more diagram. Only 5 persons sit between A and S. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. S. V sits fourth to the left of S. V sits fourth to the left of S. 1, 2, 3, 4th. 1, 2, 3, 4th. M is an immediate neighbor of V. In one diagram we can show M sitting towards the right of V, and one we can show towards the left of V. D sits third to the right of M. D sits third to the right of M. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. This one is wrong as S is sitting third towards the right of M. 1, 2, 3. K is an immediate neighbor of D. X sits second to left of K. K is an immediate neighbor of D. And X sits second to left of K. Second to left of K. 1, 2. X. B sits at one of the ends of the row. End of the row. So this diagram is correct. This is the answer of question number 8. For next video we will solve some questions related to this diagram in question number 8 part 2. Watch for more.